Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Renata Gayos,
Having been duly elected to the position of state requisition
having been elected to the position of Vice President
of the Kuwait Sandugo Eagles Club,
of the Kuwait Sandugo Eagles Club,
a club duly affiliated with the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles,
a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Orders of Eagles, Philippine Eagles,
subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles,
subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles,
and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant,
and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant,
first